Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Making money on Kajabi involves leveraging its platform to create, market, and sell online courses, memberships, coaching, or digital products. Begin by signing up for Kajabi and identifying a niche or area of expertise where you can offer valuable content or services. Develop high-quality course materials, coaching programs, or digital products that cater to your audience's needs or interests. Utilize Kajabi's user-friendly tools to create your online products. Design engaging course modules, build membership sites, or set up coaching programs using Kajabi's templates and customization features. Incorporate multimedia elements like videos, quizzes, downloadable resources, and interactive content to enhance the learning experience or value of your products. Market your offerings effectively using Kajabi's built-in marketing tools. Create compelling sales pages, customize your website to reflect your brand, and set up email marketing campaigns to reach your audience. Leverage Kajabi's automation features to segment your audience, personalize communications, and nurture leads into customers. Implement diverse marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales. Utilize content marketing, social media promotion, webinars, sales strategies, or paid advertising to attract your target audience. Focus on highlighting the value and benefits of your products, addressing the pain points or challenges your audience faces. Continuously engage with your audience and provide ongoing value. Offer exceptional customer support. Create a sense of community within your courses or memberships, and gather feedback to improve your offerings. Consistently update and add new content to keep your audience engaged and entice new customers. Success on Kajabi as an online course creator or digital product seller involves providing valuable content or services, effective marketing strategies, and ongoing engagement with your audience. Building a strong brand, delivering exceptional customer experiences, and continuously improving your offerings are essential elements in generating revenue and growing your business on the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.